With all the substance that a man would love to have all the time. Looking good and splendid. Jimbo, the reason why I called you this wonderful and perfect fresh air day is all about. I'm interested in you. So I want you to be my partner. Don't tell me fear, nothing else and nothing more.
Doctor.
Yes, darling.
Not to say, let's see me walk in the sea. Not to stop a sound in medicine.
Of course, yes, Ali. You're not cut for Christ's sake. You understand what I was bringing out. I just want you to be my partner. And believe me or not, I'll make you what you want to be.
Doctor, ready? I say, and there may be soon a man with the bar. Oh, it's me slow. Me ne be manity. To me, enya no eme fall. Me so dey am pe kra wo me life me so ne be ma eti na ne be ma fofo sat. And they meet me. That's sure.
Jimbo, I know you're a woman of substance, but believe me or not, you need to be smart. We have men, we have man. Look at me. Look at the bonfire properties I have all around here. Just look at my compound. What exactly can't I provide for you? That's when you ask me to give it to you. I believe you know very well. This is not the only place I work and I own. Come on. I'm at the regional hospital and I have so many things that whenever you ask me to provide you something, I'm ready to give it out. Come on, be smart. And enjoy your drink too.
Doctor, really a mess will be green. What am I remembering? I'm in home. Why, really impartial.
I have never proposed to a lady and the lady turns against you. Why? Don't I qualify or don't I deserve to be your partner? Go ahead and tell me. I know beautiful ladies are always smart. They listen to issues and give an answer to it. Why making it so difficult? Come on, think smart and give an answer. Yes, then all of a sudden we begin from there. The game starts and I blow you with all that you want. Enjoy your drink. And cheers to our success relationship. Jimbo, I'm telling you, I'm ever ready to give you what you want. I can take you to Dubai for shopping, take you to China for holidays, buy you luxurious and a perfect car. Of course, like Rolls Royce. What do you want and I can provide for me because I'm a man of justice. Why? I want to enter that in there.
Doctor, ready a mess. Mamma make a cry. Na men you know who. We no men can say be a men pair night bizarre. But what the shaman in bear 1 week over to men can
If that's your decision, I won't have anything against it because I have to respect your decision. So, shall I say your words have been arrested? You can go ahead if that's what you're okay with it. What do you say, enjoy a drink?
I don't know.
It's like you're delaying. I'm in rush up, you know. I just want to own that thing there.
Julie, let's say. I really am from Bahama, both pa. And I said, I'm a catcher on so you don't want to tea. You assume the tea, you may be cano. Men pay mamma say, Papa, say, and he say, if you know, a jug will do us one wine. If you know me, how I send a cocoa name, and I'm afraid you my bar, my bound chain. But we need to ask me about one name and to one to quite or mammy, come member. But many may cut it entirely. Me chain, naming to Quaba Sabasa, and never fair, men pay. Indeed, I say, let this scan of you to you. And that's how better when I'm in a child. To super.
But you want to win the old thing. Or you get on no who I am.
As a man, I want to make come. you get you no adwun ti me mbla na de bi one me nkwana asa na ope
ya me kan ope so ojima ni sipon me kan wie na waso no
inti hwe se me ma mo ska de haidan na me be fi one me ko hwe bi a me na wo gina ye kasa wa bra wo me ge nkenye se ha na me gina na kasa wo ena ma ka no the choice is yours into choose ba ko de ope no ka kire me se ope me a jiska na tu efifi on pe me so ane ntina wo why
ya okay da ya se de obo fu
mi bo fu pa
so on yes as not sabi obeja de all yende na no de so say be ma me ne te pa de untu ma me fie de enyamra
ena maka no nti me enwumle ma me nte nka why enwumle ma me nte nka e de na ye
o kwaja
me kwaja me nkonya wa say ha ye di do a ha dan papa a wa ha ja go si o se wa wa
opo e pa ba ta de ko na nkame ba no ha
ena the intikra me bo wa mane ne se am peso obo mi nyina ne se me show aba wasi obeya kwala na gu ma kewie sinsem nyina aba wantimase aba me hwe no nse me hwe no aha obo me nchen a 100 Ghana 200 Ghana e de na me nya wo so be sua adwuma me se to boss me me do beto aba wasi still obeya kwala na gu
wo so obeya koda na wo ne nanyem na gu
do nyame o hata so
se die nti
si ompe me
ene nyame no kwa ne o kan ko di kan mum wo ba je rich na mienim ni sabo akapa wo di because wa anka se wo mpo nia na nka wo ba so be den so hu enu mom de ko di kan mu akra na wo yi na to atwene no ene ne ade ha me
enu no but oh fansem bi nkan sin bi sigu
oh et sabe en kan sa ene wiase de so sense wo ko ya kro e boni de di kan apa so mbra so nkire sa
yes
so hu na mi anka sa ba wa na anka sa me no wasem me no wasem pa but ye wiase ni pa nchense mu o so twemedi aba wa twemedi ye wiase no o de me ma me kan ko bi nto che de wo benya achim di ti obeche me ni nya ne se aba wa a ne won ne te no no mpe wo mi na me kaka anje sa an wo pe oba na tenti no ko no metena enti ba oba ni tirim je se ko obetwetwe adi enso ba obeto odom no na ba obeto odom krampo no se bio enka wo be fie oba wo be fie wo ba wo ko na oba na nka efe omo osikanka timi mame 20 cedi 30 cedi tete kuje na me kase bia mane wo ho so ho eye kasa aba wa hwe manim mpo oba be jiska nyina se bia omo tabe so simpo
sikasa do se oba twetwumadi se oba ye den ni sansem we nyina no die besie bia nya sie wi
me mom de na me pere me pese kam ni me kokko ni nsem kura because me na ko hwe makeka ma dwa che na kura
chiku boa me se good he sika bia ye bia chiku me ankasa wo hia bibia busam baby pacho
oh so we nyen kutudwumbu why
me hu
ye wo de waka
ene ne nkasa
mate ye ne be kase ni tie bia no about wo tie masempa ohum sa no ene kase bia wo tie bibia ni ado nya abotre why nya abotre pa me ne be kasa
he me so na bia na ba wo yi ni nsen
na se wo hia ba aya semu wo hia ba ko de nya hwe waka me ne be kasa why me ne be kasa me yan kasa so tie masem bibia mu no me ka bia wo tie ti no me se da chena ta sam ne na kasa pa
wo de kasa bia de chiku de busam e busam bi why
me charge nso me mu nso anya ade oh wo anya ade sense oba de one metena o so timi metena che wo hu nsuban so
Nare o ko hia se bofu hu
be ma jaja me frimi firu ho na e ba nsem hunu bi oni mi di no ama mani ntina me de bofo nam no me ti bom pa
ye so the stand so firu afo so mo ha bi no me so kra me pedan o pedan ni ama ba me pedan
oh o pedan so o hwe dan na o pedan se me menye agent
oh se o ka se o firu ayi de e se de me twafufu am na to ko
mi firu ani de be ma jaja cry fo asem ko because me no matiska kudu amoba e de hadan me fedwuma me na me be fie o party say if you the mema ma o enti hwe na man si fie o no mo me si fie bi o ne me ntokwa about 3 weeks ne me again kra me hu ni da ene say na me ko ho ne me ntokwa ntokwa me de bufu ba no mani abre pa be ma
if you run say if you mema ma o
if you mema ma o jagode o san wa hwan bi if you mema ma o
eti jagode na ma na ntia ye zinzim se pre kwa to pen
be ma sembe na kansa no
ja o ti Jamaica na se wo se wo ti ase sa papa wi last BBC boys 3 bi se be pedam mu kire bi se afie ho be ba ya de papa ni je ye no chese
be ma papa no me niama no ye na ni mani hia enti me bofu pa me bofu ntu de wa ko no de du anya hwe se je de dim na de dim so nya la bi awa anya hwe hey ya sebo okay
Fifi,
Do the talking, I'm hearing you.
Fifi. How many times did I call you?
I only heard you calling me 3 times.
I called you 3 times. Do you know by the flip of my fingers, I can either ruin or save your life? Yes. Your hard-earned reputation is at stake. Yes.
What does that do want from me? You are pestering me, give me so many pressures. Why? It was a job you came and I did it for you. Why you want me to go beyond all measures?
Oh. So you think it was just a job? No. I wasn't even pregnant in the first place. Yes. I wasn't pregnant.
And you visited my health center?
That is the $1 million question. I was hired by someone
Did I hear
to
you right?
acquire evidence.
Did I hear you right? You were being hired?
You did hear me right.
Oh my God.
Like I said, I was hired by somebody to acquire evidence. There were talks in town that you pushed whatever you inserted in with your something when the ladies came to see you. Why we didn't have any hard evidence. We didn't have any real evidence. All that we're doing is recorded. Oh yes. I had a video recorder in my bra. I have it on tape. Yes.
That we did?
Yes.
Why did you do that?
Like I said, it was a job I accepted to do. I was hired by somebody who was really hard on to get evidence on you.
So in other words, you want me to pay you off? Tell me. Just go ahead and tell me the figure you want me to pay.
This is not about money.
I'll pay you off and have my way. That's all.
This is not about money. But you are fortunate. You are very fortunate because when you were pushing, I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed your pushing. I told you I didn't even have a boyfriend. Yes. It's been over 3 years since I had been with a man. And oh my God, you do have your groove on. You really made me feel like a woman. So right now the ball is in your court. You are so stubborn and obstinate. Instead of you to draw me closer to you, you are always repelling me. But mind you, I can make or break you. So, the choice is yours.
Nisha, I didn't know of all this. I didn't know it was a plan thing. I didn't know you were being hired to come and observe all that I was doing in my place. No. So what do you want me to do now?
Now you know, Fee. The choice is yours. Either you date me, or I release, or I render the evidence into the hands of the guy who hired me.
That's gonna be possible.
Yes.
What do you have to do with that, you?
It's either you date and date me well. Your actions from now onwards will determine whether I will ruin or spare you. So the choice is yours now.
The most important thing, for Christ's sake, I can't date you. I'm a married man.
Well,
it's just that my wife is not in Ghana. Very soon she's coming down. So how then do I date you? How long will it take?
Fifi, do you think I'm joking or something?
I know you're not joking. I'm speaking from my own perspective.
Wait for your wife. Wait for your wife.
And then?
When your wife comes and the scandal has blown over, do you think she will still be loving you? Wait for your wife. I'm going to render the evidence into the hands of the guy who hired me. Then make a decision.
Okay,
I'm not even talking about marriage, but date and date me well. You have to be pushing it every time and any time I want it. Is that too hard for me to ask?
No, please. Then from today onwards, I'm going to date you. That's all. That's what you want, and I've given it
Don't
to you.
say it for saying sake.
What do you want me to do?
You have to learn to love me. It's not sex I want. I want to be loved. Me, I don't have sex. I make love. Yes.
How long will it take me to learn how to love you? It's about 20, 30 minutes.
Well, your actions now almost makes or breaks you. The choice is yours.
Oh, you believe me or not? The phrase I saw you and the phrase I had approached with you, I felt something deep down within me. I didn't know how to confront you. I'm telling you, I love you. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you seriously. I can't control myself. Okay.
Unso I dem na.
Oh, Abe.
Abose nem sipo asem pa, why me say o mo nsi nipa nye.
Ah.
Enti wani nyina me pa cho. Enti wani nya se de asema me kan wani mo hwe. Obi aba wa me de la ya ba. Say ko na kwa jibe ma yi, wo ko akotodom. We boa. Wo ko ya say wo akotodom. Eno so kran so nkoda kran so na. So mo sika even kefe abose bi mi nam de adwen ba yi. Edi kakra bi aka de ma me kran de kan ni kwa se ka ma na pare me. Sika so mambi. Wo se atwi midi.
Kyekyeku.
Enye tiku abawa ya de ma na me ya pa. Mansu sa akra da. Say ma ofi ha wo. Abepo asimti me de wo yen. Wanya de. Wanya de. Eno so kwan so kokon so nkoda. Rich ni chirema. Wone wonyem.
Wamo ate wo.
Wone rich afafuru abawa.
Anyway, so wamo ate de ni amenso. O rich no, o person play me bad pa. O rich no, o person play me.
Kan wo ka akosi nyina hu wi aka akosi. Nyin se na person ko yutugu me boa. Abawo boa.
Ah,
wonyi nyin se na wayi ne kina. Se die enti. Ah, aje wo ye se wadwen ho. Wadwen ho nkwa ho. Ana do da ye no se bi o ya abo nyi ni pa da wo ye no.
o rich no adwene me ho.
Wanya wo sai abo nti de wo ye onyo se biem. Wanya wo sai.
Che. So nim se fi ha meti. Me ma me nti na meti fi ha o. Ana wa so nim se se ma boa me ho am pese me sua adwuma. Menye obi obo se o kire me. Ah rich no ngase wonim o. Nye se bia onim. Ni ya tue sika twitwi dia ma nipa. Na me kwanyem abetena fi ha. Na mefu abetoa. Na sika na enye kwa.
Abawa ti.
Enye kwa o.
Meba ewiase bi obi apenenka nko. Nyinse na wanyinse na nya de se bi ebebo ofomu. Hwe rich na ohun sa nya se rich bia o. Uko fi so ohun fi otim.
Efie na mediada.
Nya fi na bi nemu.
Ah cheche ku fie na mediada.
Background no, look at the background. Na bu so fo nyina wa bochire o. Ni wo fa no nyina gwamuchire. Ah sika wo fi ho aba wo se bi obetimi atene fi ho. Na watimi ayeyie. Enye adwuma kwa na ko so se bi wo krompo wi a rich na ka so no ankasa dwen a obetimi hu se adwuma wi wo ye betimi adwuma obetimi pa adwuma ma. Dachi bi ma wade na ye fe. Ache wo koyi manfo bibraye ma bibraye ne oma ori nso mu yi. Mu se we kura na asin a opportunity kese de ma. A opportunity obetimi bi akọ tene fi na so obetimi akọ ibusu ni wo fi o.
Say what this in the coffee hunu. If you know if you like as what this if you my yoya. Who be busu you cry, no fa. And I say the bush of food will come to say, oh wow.